Good deal, Beebeecraft. Good deal. Okay. These are the flower dies. I get all kinds of these cute little flowers. And in this one, all I did was I stuck a little piece of thinner wire with a bead on it, and I just moved them around in different directions and then tried to twist it. I mean, you could do a lot of different things, but I was just showing a little bit of something, and you could put it on a card or whatever. Okay guys, today we are going to try to make these cute little clothes hangers. You could use them as ornaments, put them on cards, give them to your children for doll clothes. You can do whatever you want to with them, but they're made out of wire. And today's video is sponsored by Beebeecraft.com. I am doing their cooperation program, where if you have at least 100 subscribers, you too could do the cooperation program and get at least $40 worth of cool products. And this is one of the products they sent me, and it's straightening up the wire. It's a wire straightener rather. Well, I thought, why not use it and make a little wire project. So all you have to do for the cooperation program is follow the link in my description below, and you go fill out a short questionnaire, and if they accept you for the program, they'll let you know, and they can send you all some cool products just like they do me. So I took about, this wire is about 7.5 inches long. I may or may not use it all. It all depends. Okay, so we got it straightened out there a little bit. Okay, so I'm using another little tool that Beebeecraft sent me. And I'm just going to go to the very smallest one, if I can get a hold of it. Make sure it's like that. You gotta catch it. It's hard to do when I'm trying to film it. So we just and then you can mash it in till you got something like that. Then we're going to take this biggest part here. We're going to put it up against that, and then we're just going to turn it over it. And you can use harder wire. It don't have to be. And just kind of do that like that with a like we did the earrings at one time. To make it, and then you could use harder wire, but I'm going to use the block they just sent me to make it harder with the hammer. Okay, now that we've got that part, I guess it's more like this. You straighten it up. And we're going to go down a little bit. And we're just going to curve it. That's probably too long. We don't need it that long. So we're going to go back up and straighten it up a little bit. Let's curve it with the next to biggest one. we got that. That's still too long, but this is just for demonstration. And we're going to go back around the bigger one. Like I said, they're all going to look different anyway. When you're trying to do something on film, it never works out perfect. Especially when you're trying to explain it. Oh, goodness gracious. Definitely didn't look like the first hanger. So we're just going to twist it around, and so you didn't need all that wire, but then we're going to go in here and we're going to cut it off, and then we're going to take these and mash that in. Like I said, that one's a little bit longer, but still kind of looks like a hanger. See, they're all different. So anyway, I think it would be easier, excuse me, if I didn't have to film it. So now we're going to use the block, and I'm going to silence it. So that makes it a lot harder. So anyway, that's my little project share today. I hope everyone has a great day. Go check out Beebeecraft.com. They will be in my description box down below. And if you're not interested in the cooperation program for YouTube, you could still get really great deals on their great craft products, because they really do have great deals and the products are really good. And I have a coupon code, Gabby5. You can save $5 on orders over $40. And it's valid until July 24th, 2023. So anyway, guys, go check out Beebeecraft.com. Have a great day, everyone. Blessed be y'all. Okay, guys, here's my little project with flower die cuts. I like those little dies, they're so cool. And then there's the hangers, the little mismatched hangers. They're all different, just like people, and that's okay. And then we got a couple hanging there on the clothesline. So love and peace, everyone. Have a great day. Blessed be all.